Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into creating project dashboards in ClickUp, your comprehensive guide for 2025. First things first, you'll want to log into your ClickUp account. Now, when you're at your workspace, look for the Dashboards option in the left-hand panel. Click on that and then select the Create Dashboard button. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for your dashboard creation. Now that we've done that, it's time to give your dashboard a name. Click on Untitled Dashboard at the top and type in something descriptive and relevant to your project. The reason we do this is to make sure that you can easily identify your dashboard later, especially when you have multiple dashboards. Next up, let's populate your dashboard with widgets. Click the Add a Widget button and you will see a list of available widgets. Pick the ones you need and add them to your dashboard. This helps us because widgets will display your project data in an easy-to-understand manner, saving you the trouble of sifting through raw data. Now remember to configure each widget according to your project's needs. For instance, if you've added a task list widget, specify which tasks should appear on it. Let me explain why this matters. Configuring your widgets allows you to customize the data you want to see, giving you full control over your dashboard and the insights it provides. Lastly, let's arrange the layout of your dashboard. Click and drag the widgets to place them wherever you want. The reason we do this is to organize your dashboard in a way that suits your workflow and visual preference. And there we have it, a well-structured, personalized project dashboard in ClickUp that's ready to give you real-time updates on your project's progress. Remember, a well-managed dashboard can significantly streamline your project management process by providing you with timely and crucial insights. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks.